welcome. Today I'm gonna not play tennis. I'm just kidding, okay, guys? Let's see if I have any fans, but I know I'm not popular. ABC, if you want to join my video. 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 I have many fans. Okay, go. And by the way, guys, I fixed my flipping phone. Like, I just figured out. I figured out that I can only record for like 11 minutes. Like, I did a video that took like 20 minutes. Like, how hype is that? Sorry, guys, I didn't remember how many it took. Guys, I just wanna ammonia. No, and no. I can't stop. Okay, how about Okay, yeah. Who should I choose? Him? Or him? Or him? Or him? Ini, mini, miny. Ini, mini, miny. My bad. Okay. My flipping video. Bam. Feet took band. Guys, he took V. Yes, only him. Bro, why did he just... You know, the flipping haters need it. Oh, I forgot. There's no haters. Like, Sprout doesn't need it. Guys, I hate my flipping batteries. 5%. Why am I flipping doing this? I don't even know. Hello, twin. Please distract at my place. I'm off to the machines. Okay, bye-bye. No more. Distracting noise. My flippity whippity. Thank you. Thank you, Shelly. Finally, a Shelly who kisses me. Like I'm a pet. ain't doing a solo, guys. I just ain't. Arf arf. Bark bark. Was it arf arf or bark bark? What the flippity wibbity is. Hello, baby caps. I'm here to take you up. Nom nom nom. The leaf was quiet too. Yeah. Guys, I'ma sing. Yeah. Guys, please do not mind the sound. Like, they're just doing so much noise. Like, my basses are big bags. If they hear this, I'm cooked. Why are they speaking Russian? No, it's not even Russian. It's Korean. Stop speaking Russian or something. Stop it. Don't you stop recording a flipping video? Like, look, use your eyes. I'm doing a video. Remember, they are blind. So, what to do? Let's extract faster. Or I'll make it fast. I am not extractor Pep. Zito I am I'm sorry, little bro. Who wants it? Guys, nobody. Guys, please don't. I just wanted to chill. You know what? I'm gonna go here and cry. Guys, my flipping besties are doing so much noise. Please, someone tell them to stop. Like, bro, I can't even record a video. They are cleaning my flipping house. And by the way, I brought it in my house. So the noise you hear, it's just them cleaning. But okay, guys, don't mind it. I'ma just be like 1 minute for the entire floor. I'm not going to talk. Like, not a single word will get out of my mouth. Okay, in 3, 2, 1. Guys, please, just all the noise you hear. It's just my little besties. You're such chatters. Like, please don't tell me bad words. Okay. Oh. Oh, hehehehe. Oh, please let's run it. You're not here. Lonely, lonely, 'cause I'm lonely. I guess I'm lonely. ADK how to sing. Great. Great, really great. Great, just great. Yeah, I hate you. Boost me instead of stay. Okay, you know what? But flippity, I had enough. You but guys, if you still hear sound, please tell me, okay? I put down the volume because it's so high, like, bro. Please stop making noise, my besties. You're not my besties anymore. You're my twisted. You're my enemies. Stop it. Guys, I know we can make it to floor 20. Guys, you know what? I gotta go. I need to play with my fans. I need to play with my fans. Bye. Okay. Now, guys, what should we play? Let's see. Evade, Danny's World, or Murder Mystery 2, or Grow Garden. I don't care, but let me see if Kulu or Matcha are my really biggest best friends. You know what? Maybe I should play Tower of Hell. Okay. Tower of Hell, but if I fall, this video ends, like literally ends, and I'm a noob at it, so I'm sure it will end at 1 second. Nah, I don't see it. I'm gonna win, cause I'm really good at it. Actually, I'm super bad. Okay, let's go. Hopefully it's not something really hard. Okay, I'm doing pretty well. Oh my god. No, please, I won't fall. I don't want to fall. No. Like, if you don't understand, it's just like if I fall over here. Okay, you know.